In this video, we're taking a look at some of the remaining vehicles at the workshops of Watertown on September 30th, 2023. They had a show. I arrived rather late, and there's a storm a-coming, so most of the cars have left. But let's check out some of the workshops and some of the vehicles that are present at this show. Although I recorded this show in 2023, I never got around to creating and posting the video until February of 2025. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider watching some additional videos on the Vehicle Mundo YouTube channel. Chevy Cheyenne Super 10. This is the first vehicle I saw when coming up. Drew my attention. Lincoln Continental. Highly customized. Might have been worth a 30-mile trip just to see this one car. Still working on the interior. Dynamat. So when I was to the first annual Workshops of Watertown car show, this entire lot was full. It was full earlier from what I understand. Again, storm coming, so a lot of people cleared out. I missed the Widow. New school Chevy Camaro. Custom chopper.
That was the right one. Yeah, I mean, it sucked, but yeah. You're ever the right move, really. Especially when it comes to my responsibility.
Car in the works, lowrider.
I never realized it. I loved having a dog. It's just like the barking every time.
Plymouth Special Deluxe.
It's the big thing. It's like, we're lucky enough to do that right. But otherwise, there's times when you've been out riding or something, it's like, nope, gotta go home with the dog.
Driver has seen some better days. Another lowrider. Drawing station. .0 liter engine. Chevrolet Nova. Cadillac Coupe de Ville. So this is the second annual show. ...2024 third annual show. Chevrolet pickup truck. Pink exits inside and outside. Put on a great show here. They have 3 food trucks, a bouncy house for the kids, drawing for the kids. So highly recommend the show. Of course, I would suggest arriving on time before the majority of the cars leave. A little bit ago, this whole row would have been filled with cool looking cars. Mercedes leaving.
That would have taken me like a week to build, and we had it done in like 4
Another
hours.
Lincoln.
I pulled my C10 on the hoist and I scratched it. He goes, I had a bad day. And then he's talking about your 55. I go, oh, so you've had 2 bad days now?
So that's one of the workshops, building 1 or building A, depending on how we want to look at it, I guess. They brought in the egg roll queen, the best egg rolls in town. Extreme cuisine, Philly steak, Philly fries. And authentic Mexican food. Holes 98. Building B was here when I was here in 2022, but I don't think it was maybe completely finished. I think it was like under the works. Maybe some of the units were finished, I don't really recall. But thankfully, I created a video, so you can check out the video on the Vehicle Mundo YouTube channel and compare what you see today versus 2022. Again, you'll see more cars there because I arrived at the beginning of the show, not after everyone left because of the storm. Now this show runs until 7. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. But again, with impending weather, a lot of people took off. Ford pickup truck, F100 custom cab, Corvette Stingray, 64. Back to the Ford. Pickup truck, SVT. It's a Ford. Pontiac. Silver Streak. A lot of drivers. These aren't so far been garage queens. These are cars that are getting used and driven. Not a show car, but a Ford F-150 pickup truck. Let's check out the custom cars in this garage, see what cool stuff they're working on. That truck up there was being worked on last year, and it was like almost done, it looked like to me. Maybe it wasn't done. I'm trying to recall. I don't think the engine was in it last year. See the engine sitting below there, so probably still not done. Monte Carlo. (1968) Olds Cutlass Supreme. Pretty with the blue and the white top. Rear of the Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Dodge Dart Swinger. Don't recall if I've seen Dodge Dart Swingers in white. It's usually some other color than white. Pretty sharp looking. Chevy 2 Nova. Ford Mustang Boss 351.
Now I'm waiting to see what they come back with.
It's going to be tough to beat the next one.
Never wait on the payment, nothing, so come on.
Let it longer.
You know what's really pissing me off, so I wasn't going to talk to my
Michael Douglas.
Or not my adjuster, my agent. He goes, well, you should probably call
Michael Douglas.
So we're shot. Newly acquired, has the Minnesota temporary tag in there. I think it's a 1970.
Saw your camper, pretty awesome. I do. I love the door in the back like that because it just seems so much more open when you have the door back there. Yeah, I mean that's fucking
Got all the vehicles, got got a lot of stuff.
Bronco.
Yeah, the agent that we had
Ford Country Squire LTD. Reminds me of my first car, which was a 73 Grand Torino station wagon with a wood panel siding, but it was kind of like a
they don't do it anymore.
gold color.
They were from Wyoming, and that was before they even wanted to fuck with Mundo. They just welded it in. And, unless that festered a little bit, but they didn't, I don't know what they did. But
How are the guys doing it? They're doing good. Yep.
yeah.
When we left, that sun was beating down. I felt bad. I got a big.
VC10 pickup truck.
What?
That was right before they started going up, yeah.
Yeah, I mean that's.
And I built it for half an hour.
There's no, oh yeah, put it in. It's just electric.
There's a lot of shit.
You go out and take laps and you can't miss it.
What was that?
Just the emergency brake.
I've had all these pickups from Tico. We've got the big one. And that's the, we're not legal yet. That'll happen. And it's kind of spent the winter.
Rhino liner.
Like where do you go? Like, you know what I mean?
Double unit in length rather than width. Getting all sheetrocked up. Work in progress. A lot of space. This was where the last warehouse had sheetrock. This one has steel all along the outside, which is probably a wise choice because you can bang stuff up against there and not dent it or doink it, and then you won't have to feel like you need to fix the drywall surface like you would in the other one. A little bit more rugged, durable. 3 porta potties. www.kingofportables.com. Alright, this road is new. I don't recall this from the last time I was here, and I don't recall building C. We got some more cars, however, so that's great. Goes a Jeep Wrangler, and here comes a Mercury Capri. Little VW, I don't know anything about VWs. R-Type, it has the letter R. Chevy Camaro Z28, that's a Toyota going by. '2000 Chevy, has a window card from a prior show. Victoria, classic car night. The show as of yet doesn't really have car registration. I think they mentioned on their Facebook page that maybe in the 3rd annual there would actually be registration. Little Ford Falcon.
Something just fell out of your hair.
Yes, I know. It's just a lady.
72 Oldsmobile. Cutlass.
Oh, thank you. I like it.
Cutlass Supreme. Chevrolet Malibu SS. And we should clarify it's a Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. Can-Am. Can-Am. Kind of like Trans Am. Trans Am. A variety of stuff in here. Like the white Chevy Nova. That'd probably be my pick. Here's the other side of that long garage or workshop, car condo, whatever we want to call it. Ford F-150 pickup truck. No activity on the backside of Building C. And there's your opportunity to purchase a car condo workshop at Workshops of Watertown in Watertown, Minnesota. Building D. Substantial fill work needed to build Building D, so there's like a lot of fill here too. It looks like they need a hell of a lot more fill on the other side for there to be a driveway and a road in front of all the garage units. And then look how high the concrete wall is for the foundation. So there's a lot of dirt needs to be hauled in. The reason I'm late to the Workshops of Watertown car show is I went to the Harley Davidson in Elk River, Minnesota for their car and bike show, which was also held on September 30th, 2023. And I recognize these motorcycles, the Boss Haas. They were there in Elk River. They kind of left before I did, but they have worked their way here into Workshops of Watertown car show.
You
see it take off to
Yeah,
shift
I
the
got a
gears.
lot of light on this.
Never pulling in right now.
Yeah.